Hello, my little sick bats. Tonight, I know I need to stop forgetting the vlog, so I'm gonna talk about it once again. Oh my god, Desiree, what are you doing? I don't know. So, this morning I woke up at 5:30, went to sleep for another 2 hours, which is, I woke up at 7, which is late for me, and, oh no. I'm trying not to yawn so badly. So, a half day today. So I came home at 10:30. Well, school ended 10:30, which is half a day. And yeah. So I basically went to the elementary school with Andrea and our friend across the street, which is Storm Cloud, if you guys know from my other channel, a little zombie chick. Psycho chick. Oh my god, brain fart. And news of why that's my intro. Cause people say I'm crazy, but that's fine, I know I am. And and I wonder how many yawns I have. I bet you guys can count. And this whole entire video. Comment down below how many yawns I had in this video. And then, yeah. I might see it, but I might not be able to play to it. I don't know. I just basically did a normal day. But while I did went to the park before we went to the elementary school to pick up Storm Cloud's little brother. He's a first grader. I thought he was a kindergartner. She's like, he's a first grader now. I was like, he's growing up so fast. Why do we all? Now I know how my dad feels. And every time, I don't know why. I'm not trying hard. So, yeah, and, I would have to run back and forth because why am I tearing up when I'm crying? I don't know. And, so my brother had 2 different doctor appointments today. And I didn't even know that. I thought he only had 1. So I kept running back and forth because no one was here. It's fine because my brother was at a doctor's appointment, and then me and Andrea went to go to the park and pick up our friend's brother with her. Yeah. at the school. I ran all the way home because we don't live that far. We're like only like 5 minutes away. And then oh yeah, and then I came back because they weren't here yet. So and then I ran out, and then we picked them up and we came home. Yeah. So basically, I do a little exercise. That's fine though. It's good to have some exercise. It's good. It's good to have some exercise. I am sleepy. I am weird. That's fine. I'm just gonna close my eyes and fall asleep during the video. I need to stay up. I don't know. That kind of hurt. Tomorrow's another day of exams until Friday, and it's winter break. 5 days until Christmas. Yay! I don't sound very enthusiastic. I'm sorry. And 4 days until Christmas Eve. Yay! 12 days of New Year's and 11 days of New Year's Eve. So, I don't know. I just gotta talk. So, I'm gonna end this video here because I don't know what else to say. So, make sure you don't stay calm. And you go psycho. Bye. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.